Hello and welcome back to MTDCNC, my friends. I'm here in Mexico today and it feels more like a party than a filming. However, what a great combination when we're able to combine both technology and fun at the same time, right? I mean, that's kind of a good time. You can hear the music in the background, but what I want to talk about today, specifically for the Mexican audience, is this machine behind me, this VF-2SSYT with the new pallet pull. As you can see as well, people are rocking all around. So if they walk in front of the cameras, ignore that. I got a great conversation for you for the Mexican people here. I wish my Spanish was better, and I will work on that. But unfortunately for you guys today, you have to bear with my English. Okay, pallet pull, HAAS VF2. So HAAS VF2 is to start. A great machine, great size, 3-axis machine, good spindle speed, good rigidity. The SS is actually a super speed. So the super speed is gonna allow you to move a little bit quicker, both on the machine and in the software. On top of that, you have the YT, adds extra length to the bed. Well, why do you need that extra length? Well, now we get into the pallet pull. Speaking with my friends here in Mexico, I get a lot of feedback, which is a common misconception about I don't have enough jobs to go into automation. I only have 2, 3, 4 jobs, and then I'm switching to a new one. I understand that, I get that, but did you know that these days, these systems are built for high mix and low volume jobs? You can actually invest in this pallet pull, and if you're running 2 or 3 shifts, you can now run the 1 shift, bring people in from 2nd and 3rd shift into the 1st shift and run through the night with this automation, even with the lower batch jobs. And how is that? Well, you're able to mix and match with pallets and put 3, 4, 5 different jobs on the same pallet pool. There's obviously a balance where, do I have enough pallets in my pool in order to run through the night? And how long are my programs? Are they 5 minutes? Are they 3 hours? Of course, there's always this balance, and that's that conversation you're gonna have with my friends at Grupo Hi-Tec and HAAS Mexico is, where does that balance fit? But don't immediately dismiss the automation side of things just because you might have a high mix and a low volume. It's important to understand. So, see, I told you that was gonna happen. So with that being said, let's just reiterate these things. VF2, reliable HAAS machine. Grupo Hi-Tec, reliable company. They will help you finance the machines. They will help you service and support here in Mexico. Now you've added SS for extra speed, YT for extra space, and the pallet pool, which is new product here from HAAS that allows you to automate. Think about that. Automation, automation, automation. The US is doing it. The world is doing it. I guarantee you Mexico will be one of the next, with all the reshoring going on right now, to automate. And that's what will take your company ahead of the rest of the mix and people that are trying to fight for those low budget jobs. You can get in with that automation and bid at prices that will make you money, that will keep you productive, and keep your company thriving from the next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years into the future. Thank you all for watching. I hope you're able to hear me over this party and music that we're having here in Mexico City. Thank you all for watching. I do appreciate you, and we'll see you again soon.